Every day, the EU speaks in 24 official languages. Laws, policies, agreements, shaping the lives of millions of EU citizens. But before they can be applied, they must be understood. Kate Healy is an editor, but at times she feels more like a taxi driver. Texts arrive at her desk from every direction. Kate tries to strip all the jargon and unclear expressions from the texts, often written under pressure and often highly technical.
The English has to be perfectly clear because it's going to be used for the 23 other languages. And if there is an ambiguity in the English, that'll have a snowball effect.
As an editor, Kate prepares texts, both for translation and for the English-speaking public. Once the text is ready, Kate passes it on for translation. The expression sunset clause was one of the toughest challenges this translator faced. It is a piece of industrial jargon that did not exist in Slovenian, and he had to search for an equivalent. Before joining DG Translation in 2007, Mišo Malković was a medical doctor. As a result, he now specialises in scientific and medical texts. In these fields, finding the right word is never just a linguistic exercise.
In ta en izraz je včasih lahko kritičen. Kritičen, spremenil cel pomen stavka. Zato smo prevajalci oziroma čutimo veliko odgovornost zlasti do državljanov in državljank, ko prevajamo to evropsko zakonodajo. Zakaj? Zato, ker vemo, da bodo ti prevodi neposredno vplivali na njihova življenja.
As a lead translator, Mišo coordinates a team of 23 specialised linguists who will translate the same text simultaneously. Technology plays an essential role, but when the subject is complex, experience remains irreplaceable. As is usually the case at DG Translation, Jan-Olof Wahlgren translates into his mother tongue, Swedish. He started 25 years ago as a trainee and has never left Brussels since.
Det är verkligen ett nyckel för oss översättare. Så vi välkomnar verkligen folk från olika bakgrunder. Det kan vara jurister, det kan vara teknologer, civilingenjörer eller som vi har till och med en biolog som har alltså ett universitetsexamen i biologi från Sverige som blev anställd bland de första.
That breadth of knowledge is no coincidence. It is what allows EU legislation to be translated with precision. Years of translated texts opened a new door to AI. Madalina Marincu works at the intersection of language and artificial intelligence. At DG Translation, experts like her develop AI-based services designed for specific tasks like generating reports and summaries in multiple languages.
Deosebire de un chatbot, folosind serviciile noastre, nu trebuie să formulezi instrucțiuni, prompturi. Încarci documentele, alegi ce vrei să faci și primești rezultatul în câteva minute.
DG Translation's AI-based services, including e-translation, are available to national and regional administrations, academia, small businesses and non-governmental organizations.
Nu sunt sisteme abstracte, sunt rezultatul concret al muncii depuse timp de 10 de ani de traducătorii profesioniști, Prin urmare, este vorba despre date de înaltă calitate, care acoperă în mod egal cele 24 de limbi oficiale ale Uniunii Europene și reprezintă și limbi mai rar întâlnite online, cum ar fi malteza.
For professionals, different roles. No EU legislation without translation. No democracy without understanding.